Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have got 55 phrases for you that you can use in conversation. Some common phrases for asking how somebody is. How's it going? How is it going? How is everything? How's everything? How's life? How is life? How is life treating you? What is new? What is new? This is asking for an update on what is been happening since you last saw that person. What have you been up to recently? What have you been up to recently? How are things? This one is very casual and very vague in general. Now, let's talk about common phrases to respond. How are you doing? The most common: I'm fine, thanks. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. What about you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? If you're okay but not amazing, you can say pretty good. Pretty good. If nothing has changed, everything is just the same as usual, you can say same old really. Same old really. If things aren't going well, not so great really. Could be better. If everything is going very well but you don't want to show off, you can say can't complain. I can't complain. Let's talk about some common phrases that you can use to ask for information. Do you have any idea, or do you have any clue? Those are interchangeable. Do you have any idea where the supermarket is? You would not happen to know someone, would you? You would not happen to know Emily, would you? You would not happen to know Emily, would you? I don't suppose you would know someone. I don't suppose you would know where the taxi rank is. Now, let's talk about some common phrases that you can use to say thank you. I really appreciate it, or I really appreciate that. This is quite heartfelt and it's slightly more formal. Another formal: I'm really grateful. If someone has shown you an act of kindness, that is so kind of you. That is so kind of you. If you want to imply that you're also going to return a favor, then you can say I owe you one. I owe you one. Or I owe you a big time. Some common phrases to respond to thank you. Very casual: no worries. My pleasure. Or pleasure. Anytime. Anytime. It is like saying I would do it again. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. Some common phrases you can use when people ask you information and you don't know something. I'm not really sure. Sorry, I cannot help you there. Sorry, I can't be any help. I have no idea. I have no idea. I haven't got a clue. I haven't got a clue. I have been wondering the same thing too. Okay, some common phrases for agreeing with people. Exactly. Absolutely. That is true. That is so right. I agree 100%. I couldn't agree more. Very informal. Tell me about it. It's mean you feel the same way. Some polite common phrases for disagreement. I'm not so sure about that. I can't really agree with you there. That is not how I see it. I don't quite see it like that. Not necessarily. Some common phrases to end a conversation politely. Well, was nice chatting with you. Right. I must be off. Right. I need to get going. Right. I would better be going. And some common phrases to say goodbye. Very basic. Bye. Bye-bye. See you soon. See you. Speak soon. Speak to you soon. Take care. You take care now. Have a good one. Talk to you later. That is it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning these common phrases that you can use in conversation. If so, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon for another lesson.